Hello everybody, my name is Suprita Patil from Team 10 O Division, our project on automatic tape dispenser, and my teammates are Divyansh 1527, Anisha 1539, Harsh 1542. We completed our project under the guidance of Sharanappa sir. Problem definition: cutting the sellotape or band automatically. The gift wrapping band becomes considerably easier if we have automatic tape dispensing machine, which is portable and user-friendly. According to our needs statement, we frame questions. By this, we got objectives, functions, and constraints. And the software used for the documentation is GitHub. Functions of automatic tape dispenser are casing, user input, sensor, and dispensing. In casing, holding of sellotape, holding of blade, holding of keypad and display, holding of sensor and circuit boards. In user input, length input, refilling of sellotape. In sensor, refilling of indicator, task completion indicator. And in dispensing, sensing the input length, dispensing the sellotape of desired length, cutting of sellotape. According to this, a function clustering is done.
Subsystems identified. For a particular product to be manufactured, firstly all the subsystems should be identified and later should be assembled together. For our project, that is automatic tape dispenser, the identified subsystems are rolling unit, cutting unit, taping unit, tape holding unit, casing. On the basis of different ideas of our teammates, we came up with 4 different concepts which leads to the manufacture of our system. Among these screenshots, the first one is the simplest one which can be done. Out of those 4 concepts, we thought of creating the best one and selected this concept and started working on it. Virtual implementation. It is the idea of thinking how the selected concept can be done, creating 3D models, circuits, etc. 3D model of our entire system. In these screenshots, we can see the 3D model of our system. Foam sheets and acrylic sheets can be used for body casing. We used a screen for the display of user input and we placed a keypad wherein the user can input the information of his needs. In these snapshots, we can see at the base, casing are present for Arduino Mega and relay modules. A roller connected to the DC motor and a tape case made of foam sheet is also present. And also for the dispensing of the tape, there will be a gap which contains the blade. We used a software called Autodesk Inventor which was really helpful in creating the 3D models of our ideas.
For making of the circuit diagram, we have used Tinkercad software. Here is the circuit diagram of the entire system. We can see keypad, motor, sensor, breadboard, relay, display and Arduino board. Moving on to the next slide, we have flowchart of the entire system. Beginning with start, user input that will be through keypad and display. Next we have sensor, Arduino board, rolling mechanism, dispensing, cutting, LED blink and finally stop. Moving on to the next slide, we have bill of materials required for the entire system. We have used foam sheet of 6 mm, DC motor of 100 or 120 rpm, IR sensor, casing that will be done through acrylic sheet of 4 mm, metal as blade, nylon stick, Arduino Mega, wires, circular wheel of acrylic sheet of diameter 10.
And battery sizing of the entire system. Firstly, we are not going to use the battery. So we haven't done the battery sizing, as we are going to directly give the AC supply to the circuit to our system and it's going to work. Motor sizing, according to the parameters we are going to use, our torque is 1.225 Newton, that is rated that at 12 volt we are going to use 100 rpm of motor. Now functional specification of the entire system. List of all the functions specification. Functions, we are only having the rotation, that is the part of the motor, and it's going to work like if we are going to input 6 we want a sellotape of 6 centimeter, then the motor is going to rotate for 2 into x, that is 2 into 6, that is for 12 seconds, and so on it's going to work. This is modeling and simulation. This we have done in Thinkercad. Directly I am going to show you in Thinkercad. This is our circuit. Mainly what we have used is the screen, motor, keypad and IR sensor. For setting up this we have written some code. Simultaneously our circuit is going to work. Let me show you. At starting it's telling that group 10 project, enter the length. When we will enter our length, for example 2, you can see that it's rotating. And similarly we are going to get our desired output length. And here we have also placed the IR sensor. It will check whether system is connected properly and everything is correct or not. If not, it's going to send the error message to the screen and our process will not work. And thank you Shanappa sir for giving us opportunity to work on this project, as we have gathered a lot of knowledge due to this project. Thank you to all our college head officers also. Thank you to the KLE Technological University also. Thank you.